So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is 70 and a 30 while drunk, what could go wrong? I'm sure a lot could go wrong. 70 and a 30. Oh yeah, them boys is definitely coming after you. You doing that. Let's go.
Hey, also delivery service to the police department. Reason I stopped you, you went up to 70 miles per hour there, going southbound on 301 when you came off of down there at like 12th Street. It's a 35 mile per hour zone.
No.
With a kid in
that didn't happen?
I don't think so.
Where are you going in such a hurry?
My house right now, my house on 8th Street.
You got your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
My uncle's house.
Were you drinking?
Yeah, a little bit.
How much would you have to drink?
Not a little bit. I mean, not that much.
Beers?
Like 3, 4.
3 or 4 beers?
Yeah.
Do you think it's a good idea to be driving after drinking with your kid in the car?
No,
it's not a good idea, is it?
Nah.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how drunk would you be? 0 being stone cold sober and 10 being
I'm not
unconscious drunk. Well, I'm giving you a scale. 0 being like absolutely sober.
2 or 3.
You're about 2 or 3 on the scale.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm being honest, man.
Okay.
I'm not being.
Can you still get that registration insurance I asked for?
Yeah.
Is someone else home right now?
Huh?
Is somebody else home right now?
No.
Where's mom at?
Her mom?
His mom, yeah.
She's not. She's died.
She's deceased?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Who else lives at the house? Anyone?
Yeah, but
Who?
my another girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay.
But her mom.
Can you get that registration insurance I asked for, please?
He trying to tell you, you better make arrangements to get somebody to pick up that kid because you going to jail. That's what he trying to tell you.
Can you turn the truck off for a second for me?
Huh?
Can you turn the truck off?
Yeah, of course.
So here's the deal, okay? Like you said, you've been drinking a little bit. I want to do some, if you'd be willing to, I'd like to do some sobriety exercises to make sure you're fit to drive, okay? Are you willing to do this sobriety exercises for me? Because all I have right now is that you've been drinking beer. I can tell in your eyes that you've got bloodshot eyes, they're glassy, okay? There's the odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from the vehicle. Okay, you've admitted to be drinking tonight. I want to make sure that you are not too impaired to drive.
I can do it.
Okay?
I'm gonna touch you, man.
Do you have any weapons on you? Guns, knives, anything like that?
None of that, man.
He said, I'm going to trust you,
I got
man.
my
You're done.
You've had previous DUIs, right?
Huh?
You've had previous DUIs, right? Alright, let's find some flat ground right here, shall we? So what I want you to do is just stand here, right here for me. Just put your feet together, hands down by your side. Just come up a little bit, because I don't want you to be on that little curve right there. Okay. So feet together, hands down by your side. Okay. Alright. Do you wear contacts? Do you have any contacts? Do you wear glasses normally? Okay. Do you have any physical disabilities I need to be aware of? Any reason why you wouldn't be able to conduct these field party exercises?
No.
No, so you're all good. What's your highest level of education?
What was that?
What's your highest level of education?
I mean, I don't
College,
know
high school?
No, I've been 9th grade.
9th grade? Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Booker High.
Booker High? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Local boy, huh? Alright. So, the first exercise we're going to do, okay? So just keep your hands down by your side for me. I'm going to be checking your eyes, alright? So, all I'm going to have you do is, you see the tip of my pen right here?
Mm-hmm.
All I'm going to have you do is, don't move your head, keep your head absolutely still, and you're going to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. I need you to keep your head absolutely still. You're going to follow with your eyes only, okay?
Yep.
Alright, so the next exercise is going to be the walk and turn, okay? So, what we're going to have you do whilst I'm explaining the exercise, imagine the imaginary line right out in front of you, okay? You're going to place your left foot on that imaginary line. You're going to place your right foot, the heel of your right foot, directly against the toes of your left foot, keeping your hands down by your sides, and you're going to stay in that position whilst I demonstrate the exercise. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll put your right heel against the toes. Alright, and just stay in this position whilst I demonstrate the exercise. Okay? So nope, until you start. I'm going to demonstrate it first. So just stay in that position for me. Left foot on the line. Right foot heeled against your left toe. No, right foot in front of your left foot. Just like that. Don't move. Alright? Don't start until I tell you to do so, okay? So, when I tell you to do so, what you do is you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. And you're going to look down at your toes and count them out as you do so. Okay? It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. I've done 3 for demonstration purposes. You will go to 9. Once you get to your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps and do a 180-degree turn. And immediately do 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3. Again, I've done 3. You will go to 9. Okay?
You want to start with the right?
Yep, so you'll start from that position. Well, I haven't told you to go. Do you have any questions about the exercise?
No, but...
No?
I mean, you want to go?
If you don't have any questions, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Go ahead.
8,
51.
9.
Cancel fire.
Yes, 215, do you copy?
Table.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so for the next, just go back to the starting position over there for me.
Nah, that was a trick one because I think what he was waiting for him was to say that he can go the other way, but the guy wasn't paying attention. You're just supposed to do it down and back one time. But I think because he stopped and he was like, you know, can I go? That's how I looked at it. He was like, can I go? And the guy said, are you done? And the guy's like, yeah. Oh yeah, you done. You done, my boy. Single father, you out of here, man. You better get somebody to pick up that kid.
I'm going to do an exercise. It says the 1 leg stand, okay? So for this exercise, just with your feet together, hands down by your side, just like you were before, okay? So, like I said, from this position, you'll choose either your left foot or your right foot. I'm going to choose my left foot to raise up, okay? You're going to raise it properly 6 inches off the ground, pointing your toes forward, about the size of a soda can off the ground. Look down at your foot, and you're going to count out 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and you keep going until I tell you to stop. Okay? Do you have any questions about that exercise?
No.
No? You don't have any physical disabilities, nothing that will stop you from doing that? Okay. 1 second.
If I feel like not doing it, what's gonna happen?
I mean, it's up to you. If you,
I'm not like.
it's up to you. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do this one. Okay, right.
Man, I'm like already. What else you want?
Okay.
No, like really,
All right.
man, I don't want to do it.
So, okay, for this next exercise, can you stand here and look down that way?
No. Well, if you want to stand me here like
Yeah.
that way, I'll do it. I mean,
Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for DUI, okay? Yeah, dude, you're wasted. Dude, you got a kid in the car driving 70 and a 30. You're gonna kill your kid, dude. Yeah, really. How can we get a hold of girlfriend so she can look after your kid?
let me go ahead and call. I mean,
Yeah, I'll get you. Where's your phone at?
gotta go back to your phone.
Where's your phone at? I'll go get it.
it's in my pocket.
Okay. Do you want us? You said you live on 8th Street, right?
Yeah.
Is there somebody home on 8th Street? Your family
No.
or your girlfriend?
Nobody's home right now? Who can look after him?
Well, let me
Your
give
family?
a call.
Can your uncle come get him?
Let me give a
Or
call.
has he been drinking?
No, I mean my
We need someone
girlfriend.
sober. Your
Girlfriend.
girlfriend? Okay.
That kid is never gonna
Yeah, buddy.
forget this
Where's
night.
his phone at, dude?
Huh?
Where's his phone at? Is it right here? This is his
That's
phone?
mine.
That's your phone?
No, that's mine.
Which one's daddy's? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. He's just gonna come with us for a little bit. We're gonna have someone come pick you up, okay? But you doing all right? You're scared? Why are you scared? Don't be scared. We're not being mean, are we? He's gotta go deal with some stuff with us. That's all. You don't gotta be scared, all right? I'm gonna give you a teddy bear. You like teddy bears? I'll give you a teddy bear, okay? Just give me 1 second. I'll come give you one, all right?
Okay.
You doing all right though?
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Nayla.
Neelan?
Nayla.
Naylan? Alright, man. Just hang out here for me, dude. I'm gonna get you a teddy bear and I'll come right back, okay? Alright, man.
I like how he handled that
How
with the
old are you
kid.
now? 8? What do you think? You want him or no?
Yeah.
You gonna give him a name? What do you want to call him? Or her?
Teddy.
What's that?
Teddy.
Teddy? That's a good name. Good shout. I like it. Here you go. It's all yours, alright? Alright, man. Just hang out here, okay?
He was charged with child neglect, DUI, and DUI with a person under 18 in vehicle.